Take a look at the 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, navigation system, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.